my fellow teachers and friends. My name is Alessa and Ningtyas from Class 6C. Today, I'll share my project that is Vending Machine from my design class. 6 steps of making vending machine. First step is I do research about the vending machine. And number 2, I'm still trying to find inspiration. I finally find my inspiration, which is Hangar design as my inspiration. Why did I choose Hangar design? Because Hangar design is very sophisticated, amazing, unique, and very new to people. Hangar design as my inspiration. Number 3 looks very like my Hangar design idea. Design inspiration. This image is really like my design planning. Step 3. Consideration of basic concept. Number 1. Good design. I'm looking for aesthetic designs. Number 2. Design innovation. I'm trying to create something new and invent something new, not to plagiarize. And number 3. Design impact. I consider that my design has 3 main impacts: social impact, commercial impact, and environmental impact. Step 4. Identifying products. There are basically 2 types of products that I sell in my vending machine. Number 1. The left side is selling for candies and the right side is selling for chocolate bars. On top of the push button to get your candies and chocolate bars, there's an insert coin to insert your coin and get your change. I made a detailed description of my items. This is my Hangar design. And finally, step 6. Design materials to be used. Number 1, triplex. Number 2, use cardboard. Number 3, scissors or cutters. 4, chainsaw. 5, glue gun or wood glue. 6, double tape. And number 7, decorations. Well, I use airplane magazines. And I will show you my process of making my vending machine. I'll do a sketch of my vending machine based on my inspiration, which is Hangar. I'm making some details for my vending machine. I make a detailed description of my vending machine. Coin slot, 3 times 2 centimeters. Coin collection, number 1, 4 times 4 centimeters. Coin change slot, 1 and 2, 5 times 2 centimeters. Coin slot, number 2, 0.5 times 3 centimeters. Coin collection, number 2, 4 times 4 centimeters. This is my detailed description of my vending machine. I use triplex as my frame. I cut the triplex and it becomes like this. This is 45 centimeters and this is 27.5 centimeters. And this is the roof. I use glue gun to trace the triplex together. I use the cardboard to cover the triplex and I use glue gun to connect it together. I cut airplane decorations for my Hangar vending machine because it is related to my theme. I use my white glue to stick off the airplane decorations. This is my manual vending machine and I'm going to show you how does it work inside. I cut these cardboard pieces and follow the description and I stick them all together and it becomes like this. In every part of the vending machine, the frame is always a triplex. How does it work? All you have to do is put your coin here and the change will go here and coin collection is here. And you might be very familiar with this. So this is a push and pull button to get your candies or chocolates. Finally, this is my vending machine. How does it work? All you have to do is put your coin in, then press this button. Here you go! I installed lights and sounds of airplanes. Thank you! I will take a huge step to use a machine rather than doing it manually. Thank you guys so much for watching.